All right, guys, we've got the efluky large laundry basket. This is my review. I bought this myself with my own money. So the reason I like this is it actually kind of has a design to it. Like I think it looks sweet. You actually have like legitimate like wood, and supposedly it's bamboo. It's a nice wood, nice natural wood finish. It's got black. I kind of like the black and tan sort of look. So that's kind of just my vibe. Um, Basically, you have four of these. I just wanted to show you how to install the last one so you get how this works. It's super easy. You install this into the corner, and it's going to be hard to see because of the black, but there's basically like a linen tube that this kind of slides into, and it may take a couple tries because this thing's kind of hard to get to. We do it live here on this channel because I want to show you how an idiot like me, even in the struggle, can figure things out. Or you're going to see that I can't figure things. Okay, honestly, I think you're going to see that I can't figure things out. I think my brain's working. It's Saturday today, guys, and I'm trying to get to watch some soccer at the end of the day. So my brain's okay. Here we go. We got it in, right? So it just goes in that tube, and what these do is these just you're going to push that into the corner under the wood, right? And then there's a Velcro thing that just goes on top of it. So now it's sturdy. They're in all four corners. And then the last thing you do is the cool thing is you actually got like a laundry bag that you can take out of it. And this laundry bag has Velcro on four corners, and there's Velcro on the corners. All you do is just Velcro that in. And then you've got that. So this is the laundry basket. Now watch, check this out. This is something you're not going to see anywhere else. I've got a bunch of clothes. And what you do is you just put the clothes in there. It's really cool. It's an innovative thing. I can't believe it. Oops. Okay, so then what do? You just take the bag out and you take it to the laundry room. It's so cool. You should get it.